The new way to cook chicken breast. Cut red onion into thin slices.
Okay, onions.
Place the onion slices in the baking pan.
That's fast. Okay. Tomatoes, slice.
Cover the onion with the tomato rounds. Stir in olive oil. With soy sauce. Brown sugar. Dried
Okay.
rosemary, oregano,
That's looking
salt,
good already.
black pepper, and grated garlic.
Okay.
Score the chicken breast.
Okay.
Dip the meat in the sauce. Leave to marinate for 30 minutes.
Really delicious.
Place the marinated meat in the baking
Okay.
pan.
Cheese.
Sprinkle with grated mozzarella. Bake for 30 minutes. Peel the potatoes.
Potatoes.
Cut the potatoes into cubes.
Okay.
Place the potatoes in the saucepan.
This is already looking so
Pour
good.
water. Add rosemary, parsley, green onion, salt, and bay leaves. Boil for 20 minutes.
All right.
Mash the potatoes.
Ready.
Place the puree in the cauldron. Add butter, black pepper, salt, and milk.
Okay.
Mix and boil a little. Sprinkle the mash with green onions.
I knew this was going to look great. I knew this food was going to come out so nice. I'm definitely going to try this. Let me know in the comment if you are going to try this as well. Oh my goodness, this looks amazing. In fact, this is the best way to prepare a boneless chicken. Best ever. The best. This looks amazing. I'm definitely going to try this. Let me know. Are you going to try this as well? It really looks great.